right, we're going on a quick test drive. The truck has 1,365 miles on it, so it's pretty much brand new. We're gonna do a quick road test here. I'm not really gonna get on it since the truck is brand new. Sounds amazing. Now the flickering here, that's just in camera, that's not in person. All of this is absolutely perfect. Truck is supercharged. We'll have the full build list on the website. Brakes feel perfect, steering's perfect. Really no complaints. Exhaust sounds good. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. We're gonna start with the front right wheel. It's in perfect condition, looks amazing. Here on the fender, tiny little scuff there, tiny scuff here. The rest of that looks good. Side mirror looks awesome. A-pillar's clean. Paint looks gorgeous. Got the side exit exhaust. We'll have the full build list on our truck on the website. Supercharged, Roush. It's definitely rowdy. Quarter panel looks good. That wheel looks awesome. Got the spray on bed liner. That hood looks good. You're gonna have a couple tiny little rock impacts. A little chip there. A couple tiny chips here. Otherwise, that front end looks amazing. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Fender looks good. That wheel's perfect. Mirror looks nice. That A-pillar looks good. You do have film here on the door edges protecting it. See how clean all of that is. Reflection looks good. Looking at that wheel, it looks good. You do have that graphic on here. Got the parking sensors. The tailgate looks nice. Really not much to pick apart on this truck. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it still smells brand new in here. That panel's perfect. Got the vinyl floors. Seats are heated. Got your switches here. Alcantara looks amazing. Bolsters look nice and clean. And this is pretty much a brand new truck. That looks good. Nice and clean. Got the big screen. There's your VIN number, where it was built. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Here on the front right door panel, that's perfect. You do have the vinyl floors. The seats are heated. Got the beautiful Alcantara suede inserts. That looks nice. This does flip up, so you have an extra seat. Got the little lightning bolt sticker here. Upper side of the dash looks good. Underside's clean. Absolutely gorgeous on this side. And then checking out the engine bay, all of this looks good. We'll have the full build list on our website.